Former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque casts doubt on the credibility of the vlogger who claimed that he was the source of the so-called Polvoron video allegedly showing the president. The Polvoron video supposedly shows President Bongbong Marcos sniffing an illegal drug. The video spread online just before he delivered his third State of the Nation address in July 2024. However, cybercrime experts from both the Philippine National Police and the National Bureau of Investigation said the video was fake. In a live stream on Tuesday, April 8, Roque questions the motives of vlogger Pebbles Cunanan for claiming that he was behind the video accusing Marcos of drug use.
Kaduda-duda talaga pagkatao niya dahil sa pagiging napakatinding kritiko ni Marcos, ngayon halikwet siya kay Marcos, di ba? Bakit? Magkano yan? Anong dahilan? Bakit? Sabihin mo, bakit?
Earlier, Cunanan admitted at the House Tri-Committee hearing that Marcos was not the one in the video. She said the man's facial features were far from those of the president. The vlogger also explained there was a raw version and an enhanced version of the video.
Yung raw version po kasi, kapag tiningnan nyo, hindi nyo siya masasabi na kahit na hindi po siya talaga, hindi nyo rin po talaga masasabi na si PBBM. So, in-enhance po nila yung video para mas maging maliwanag at mas makita.
Ang ibig nyo bang sabihin, na-edit yung video?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Version?
Maski po yung raw video, hindi po ako naniniwala na si PBBM yan.
Cunanan also said that Roque was the one behind the operation to spread the video. In a sworn statement submitted to the House, Cunanan said she was invited to a private dinner with other vloggers supporting former President Rodrigo Duterte. She said Roque told the vloggers that a politician's relative had given him a video showing Marcos supposedly using cocaine. Cunanan recalled that Roque said he was good at overthrowing governments. With this, Akop asked if the spread of the video was planned.
So, sa tingin mo, Pebbles, merong sinadyang alteration sa video upang manipulahin at ang itsura ng taong nasa eksena?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Yun. Ibig sabihin, lumalabas na planado ang pagpapakalat ng video para makapanira kay PBBM. Tama po.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
At ayon sa iyo, si Harry Roque ang may pakanan dito.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.